Today I am reviewing Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 40mm Bluetooth AI Smartwatch. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 40mm Bluetooth AI Smartwatch is a sleek, versatile wearable that perfectly blends style, functionality, and advanced health tracking into one compact device. From the moment you strap it on, you'll notice its lightweight design and smooth, responsive touchscreen, making interactions effortless and intuitive. The green resin and nylon construction gives it a modern, sporty appearance, suitable for workouts, office wear, or casual settings, while remaining durable enough to handle everyday life. One of the standout features of the Galaxy Watch 7 is its Galaxy AI integration, which allows you to push past yesterday's performance. Whether you're running, cycling, or doing any other outdoor activity, the watch tracks your progress and lets you compare your current workout with previous ones, providing insights that motivate you to improve every day. This feature is particularly helpful for those who love structured, data-driven fitness routines and want to make measurable progress. Your daily readiness and energy levels are also intelligently managed. With the Energy Score feature, the watch calculates your physical readiness for the day based on data from your previous day's activities, sleep patterns, and heart rate. This personalized approach ensures that you can plan workouts or take it easy when your body needs rest, striking the perfect balance between challenge and recovery. Speaking of health, the heart rate tracking is more precise than ever. Using Galaxy AI, the watch filters out movements and noise, giving you an accurate reading even during intense workouts. Paired with over 50 workout modes, including running and cycling, the Galaxy Watch 7 becomes a true fitness companion. The Wellness Tips feature further enhances your health journey by providing daily suggestions based on your tracked data, helping you maintain optimal fitness and well-being. Sleep monitoring is another impressive aspect of this smartwatch. The watch tracks your sleep patterns and provides insights to improve your rest. For users concerned about sleep apnea, the Galaxy Watch 7 can detect signs of moderate to severe obstructive sleep apnea, giving you helpful alerts and data, all analyzed seamlessly via your paired smartphone. This makes it a proactive tool not just for fitness enthusiasts, but also for anyone focused on overall health and wellness. Connectivity and convenience are also key strengths. The watch supports Bluetooth and works seamlessly with Samsung smartphones. You can receive notifications, make calls, and manage apps directly from your wrist, reducing the need to constantly check your phone. The built-in GPS ensures accurate tracking for outdoor activities, and the 40mm AMOLED display delivers vibrant visuals, high brightness, and sharp clarity, even in sunlight. Battery life on the Galaxy Watch 7 is optimized to last throughout the day, with fast charging capabilities ensuring you're always ready to go. The IP68 water resistance rating also means you don't have to worry about sweat, rain, or occasional splashes, making it suitable for virtually any environment. In summary, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 40mm Bluetooth AI smartwatch is a powerful and stylish companion for anyone looking to optimize their fitness, monitor their health, and stay connected on the go. With advanced AI features, accurate tracking, wellness insights, and a durable, sleek design, it's a smartwatch that truly enhances your everyday life. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a busy professional, or someone who values health and technology, this watch delivers everything you need and more, making it one of the top smartwatches available in 2024.